Hey, what's happening, guys? Yeah, this week you're getting a video every day because last week you didn't get any because of the COVID. I apologize for that. Um, I'm still a little under the weather, you can tell, but I feel so much better. So much better. Right, so what we found today, I got this from the local Dollar General. I think $20 is probably twice as much, at least, as it should cost, but I just thought it was interesting. Color changing LED lights. Okay, no big deal. Okay, wait, the remote control. So they're obviously didn't put, a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth chip or anything. So that means they're probably going to be infrared. So there's going to be infrared. There's going to be some sort of chip in here that's controlling the RGB lights. And I thought this would be a something interesting to look at. What's here? No wires, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Peel and stick. Control lights individually or as a group. See, this is what's got me intrigued by this. And it needs 3 AAA batteries for each bulb. So, let me get an appropriate instrument out to open these up. And that's what we'll do. We'll get them out of here and see what happens. Yeah. Remember, cut towards your chum, not towards your thumb. Especially when wielding a ridiculously giant knife that you bought just to open packages on YouTube with. The best part is, I found it at the local auto parts store. It was like $8. I know, next I need to get me one of those mini chainsaws to, pardon me, to open packages with, right? I was being careful with this because I didn't want to destroy any instructions. Thank you for purchasing Instabright color changing, blah, blah, blah. This is not a toy. Oh, I beg to differ. It is absolutely a toy. Okay, so dimmer, auto color changing, 13 choices. Timer turns off after 4. That's cool. Battery included, screwdriver not included. Peel off backing to expose. Clean, dry, place. Twist to remove main unit from the base. Put in batteries. All right. One, 2, 3, 4. And our remote with the little, pop that guy out of there, the old battery, battery no turns the ons until I want you to switch. Alright, open, close. Instabright model K06168. Looks like it comes with even a real 3M tape. This weighs nothing. Alright, let me get a screwdriver here. One moment, please. Looks like 4 screws will get us in. And they are threaded into plastic, so you will have a limited number of cycles before the plastic is shot if you plan to mod these or do anything along those lines. So I watched the funeral for Queen Elizabeth II yesterday, like I imagine many other people did. She was the only British monarch I've known in my lifetime. It's going to be an interesting future for everyone. Okay. Wow. Wow. You know, I take back what I said. You know, 20 bucks is probably not overpriced for these. Look at this. We're talking about 3 RGB LEDs, 3 single color LEDs, this IC here, which doesn't appear to have any writing on it. Oops. I'll lose my screws. Interesting. This is a fiberglass PCB done up in white to look like an aluminum PCB. Spot for another switch here. Interesting. I like that they've well, let's zoom in a bit so you can see better here. So again, we've got 3 RGB LEDs, 3 single color. We'll figure out what color they are here in a second. We've got what looks like some sort of a divider going on here, along with, see, that one's marked 0 being a shunt resistor. So they're measuring current, which probably has to do that chip somehow for the dimmer. Yeah, look, 120, 150, 120, 150, 120, 150, and then there's 100. There's 100 for that one up there as well. 100, no. Okay, yeah, there's the 100 for that one. It's interesting. Let's put some batteries in here and see what happens, right? I've got these rechargeable EBL batteries. We can pop in here. Red. Okay, that is very red to me. Green. Off. Red, green, off. Interesting. All right, let's try it with the remote. On, nothing. Thought they said there was a battery included with this. Yeah, there is. Well, that worked on something else. Hang on a minute. All right, I don't know what's going on here. That's all I'm getting out of them. Maybe it's the rechargeable batteries. Let's try some alkaline batteries. All right, so I got some Amazon Basics alkalines here. And what we'll do is we will put them in a separate light. Then I'll even put that back on. Red, green, blue, white. Okay, this one seems to be doing more. Red, green. I bet you it was those rechargeable batteries. Very interesting. Yeah, because this one is just fine. Multicolor. Should switch between them. There should be yellow, like a teal, some manner of purple, going more towards blue, violet, go through the greens, golds to red, dimmer. The dimmer only seems to work on the white, but okay. Interesting. Let's put some alkaline batteries in this one and see if that is for sure what made the difference. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes later to find one more AAA battery in the house. Since I'm just on the edge of COVID, I don't want to go spread it anywhere. So instead of going out and buying one, figured I'd find one somewhere. All right, now what we get? Yeah. Now we got it. So here are the two that are powered up. Turn them on. You know, let's hit the color change thing. Yeah, the timing is spot on. That's pretty cool. So, that is the Instabright color changing LED lamps. Thought they looked fun, especially for Halloween, you know, stick them up. Ooh, spooky lights. If you enjoyed this, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.